Team. Yeah. Galing ha. Ako, may mga kalaban pa. Ako, wala yata release dun. Wow. Oh, grabe, iniwan niya kami. Siyempre, life. Trabaho. Mga sabi nila, mas mahalagang health is sa trabaho. Life lesson pala ito sa society.
Oh, we seem to have made an unscheduled stop.
Let's play Assassin's Creed. Okay, so this is the start of the game.
The past is your playground, Abstergo.
So yeah, this is the background of the game. Yan. So di ko na alam ang kwento dito, pero hindi na yata to connected dun sa dating Assassin's Creed, yung sa may kay Desmond.
Hello,
So,
Initiate. Recently, Abstergo Historical Research began several new projects in London. We both know that when Abstergo makes big moves, the Templars are up to something. We think they're hot on the trail of a new piece of Eden. I've got people in London looking for it.
Hey, Bishop! Jacob and Evie Fry are twins. How awesome is that?
Speak of the devil. Fire up your cameras,
So,
Bex.
sino yun? Hindi ko alam yung sinasabi nila. So, alamin natin yan sa laro.
I've got picture. ETA on the payload?
Sending it now.
A lot to sift through. I'm gonna get the Initiates on it ASAP.
You look weird with a weapon. Let's plant a little bug and
Para siyang nerd,
see
no?
what we can see.
So, let's see. Sabi.
Got something. Isabel Ardant has a meeting here in a few hours. Doesn't say with who.
Doesn't say with whom, Rebecca.
Ooh.
I suppose it's
The
down to
corrector.
Muggins here to find out.
Hold on. The mission was to find data to locate a piece of Eden in London.
We did.
Ah, may piece of
And now,
Eden din pala
I'm
dito.
eager
Parang yung
to
kay,
try this new kit.
kay Ezio. So, we'll see, we'll see.
I don't like it when those two go off book like this. Well, all we can do.
So, hindi ko maintindihan yung sinasabi nila.
Forward. You'll be searching for the
Laro na lang natin. Laruin lang natin.
Evie Fry, twin assassins who operated in Victorian London. Your first set of genetic
okay.
memories are downloaded.
Alright,
Good luck.
so Twin Assassin.
Though not for long, for he knows. As I have warned you,
He
time
knows.
and time again,
Tudun.
whosoever controls London controls the
Who
world.
controls the rebound, controls the game. Doon pala nakuha yun. Ni Gory sa Slam Dunk. Ferris Ironworks, Croydon. taas. Yung assassin, no?
The iron
Assassin,
ship's from
assassin.
here. The Templar running things is Rupert Ferris and our target 1. Target 2 is Sir David Brewster, who's got his hands on a bauble that could ruin us in this wretched war. Think you both can handle it?
What a question.
All right. My mistake. Ladies and gentlemen, the unstoppable Fry twins. See them nightly at Covent Garden.
Para sila sigurong notorious na
George, honestly, I've studied the plans of the laboratory and have every route covered.
And I've got all I need. Right here. I'll extend your regards to Ferris.
Chat later, George. We've a train to catch.
Jacob!
Oh,
Evie!
Evie!
May the Creed guide you, you vagrants!
Poor man, more afraid than ever. Years have not been kind.
Evie Fry, where do you get it from?
The same place as you, Jacob.
Siyempre, kambal sila eh. Same place talaga.
Have fun.
Don't die.
Ay, galing oh, tumalon. So, ito muna natin kukontrolin itong lalaki. So, ano daw? Wow! Ay, nabagsakan yung bata.
How long does he intend to go on like this?
So, siya ang target na.
Disrupting the other workers. Shoot his trap and get the machine fixed. And send me some laudanum for my head.
God,
Coming right up.
kahit ka kaya. So, ito yung character natin. So, ano daw gagawin natin? So, pupunta daw tayo doon sa green. So, paano tayo pupunta doon? So, I think, hindi natin to. Sneak. So, sneak daw C. Ano yun? C daw eh, C. Hello, bata! Oh. Oh, ano yun? Oh, natatakot ka ba sa akin? Hindi pala. Anong pinag-uusap mo? Ay, sorry. Tatakbo tayo, papunta doon. Oh. Tawid tayo. Oh, amaze ka naman. Sige. Ayan, bababa tayo dito. Ay, bababa nga eh. Oh. Kinaanan na kita. Oh, sorry.
Locked.
What do you think you're doing?
Nakasarado eh. So,
No one goes in or out unless there's a problem.
I hold the machines. That door opens, and I have my route to Ferris.
So, bubuksan lang daw pag may problema. So, sisirain niya yung mga machine. Free run. Free run. Pupunta natin yun nung ilaw. Ay, yung ano, color yellow. Sabotage. Oh, huwag kayo titingin. No smoking, pero may
Always
uso.
look and fly.
Smoking na smoke kasi. Smoke. Free run! Oh, ano bata? Na-amaze ka naman. Maglinis ka doon. Gayahin mo to, naglilinis. Hello, pagod ka na? Isa namang bata, tao mo na yan. Tara na, mag-revolution tayo. Ito, ano ginagawa mo? Naglilinis ka dyan. Ito tulog, Isingin kaya natin. Gising. Ay, sino nagigising? Ikaw. Wala, sino nagigising. Tayo, puntahan din natin yung yellow na isa. Sisipag naman ng mga tao dito. Pare, ito, may bibigay ako sa'yo. Ito, 100 yan. Titingin may gagawin ako doon. Ikaw din. Ito, 100. Ayan, tinignan mo na. Ano, maliit? Sige, ito ba? 50. Ito na yan, Sabotage. Sabotage! Right. So ngayon, kabila may isa pa eh. Ako, nakakita yata sa atin. Gusto ko i-assassinate. Yata pwede. Oh, okay lang daw. Okay lang daw. Ikaw, problema ka ba? Ah. Gusto mo rin lumabas eh, no? Ayan. Sabotage ulit natin. Huminto yung mga machine. Magalit, sino yan? Pangit naman ng forma niya. May sakto naman.
Which one of you is responsible?
Wasn't us, sir. I swear it. He's telling the truth.
Oh, hang you!
Bago ka magsalita, patayin na kita. Patay.
Sanitary Inspector. This man is dead.
You're the dead man!
Ako. Sila, may labanan eh. Tak lang daw eh. Oof! Ah! May isa, counterman attack. Whoop! Pak! Ah, aray ko. Tinamaan ako. Oop! Tinamaan ako. Counter. Oop! Aray ko. Isa pa. Isa natin. Isa pa. Break the defense of... Break defense. Ay, ayos to ah. Brawler pa na to eh. Aray! Nice! Buhatin natin. Buhatin daw natin. Paano bubuhatin? Sama-samahin natin sila para di makalat. Yung mga pulis madali ang ayos. Oh, paano nakapasok yun? Throw. Ba't di nagtatabi-tabi? Ayan. Magkakamukha sila. Gulat ako. Tama na. Ayan, sunod sila, di ba? Madali makikita. Huwag kayong matakot sa akin, guys. I'm your savior. Kahit ano gagawin nyo. Located assassinate. So, di ba? Buksan daw natin to. Hindi ko hindi pa tapos eh. Ito si Paris.
I'm coming. Time to head for higher ground.
Ay, ang mukha ni Abraham Lincoln, no? Hold shift and space bar to climb. Kanina ko pa yata ginagawa eh. Oh, kayong dalawa, tinatawanan nyo yan. Samahan nyo naman. Hold. Each. Ayaw naman. Detection. Enemies who can see you will become suspicious. If you stay in their line of sight, they will become aggressive and attack. Move behind cover to lose enemies. They will investigate your last known position. Maging suspicious. Sino?
Right, I'm coming to deal with you. That's you like a knife in the back.
Pa rin ako ah. Ako pwede magtago.
I assure you, you had the wrong person. I'm going to enjoy killing you. Come on.
Taguan. Meron pa isa. They lost sight of me. Nonsense. Tayo dito. Patayin eh. Pwede kaya? Ha? I'm an assassin! Assassin's Creed! Ay! tayo dito. Meron. Ano naman to? I'm an assassin. Uy, may nakakita sa akin. Tago tayo. Pupunta siya dito. Hindi siya pumunta eh. Gusto ko yung naka-crouch eh. Pwede ba yun? Ano nangyari? Siya and assassinate. Yeah. Tingnan ako eh. Saan tayo pupunta doon? Dito. Saan tayo pupunta? Ako pupunta. Dito pala. Daan pala dito. Oh, red zones on the minimap shows restricted. So, sneaking, ayan yung gusto ko, magtatago. Makes you harder to detect and allows you to move faster. The stealth trick shows enemies above and below you. From behind cover, aim to impress. Oh, ayos ah. Pwede yun ah. Sige, try natin. Sneak. Oops. Ayan, pwede nating i-target yung gusto ko headshot. Patay. Kaya mag-alala, ako lang to. Ako ang tagapagligtas. Ano tinitignan yan dyan sa labas? Ang laki ng salamin. Oh, ay, sorry, nakita ko na lang ito. Pwede i-loot eh. Pwede ko i-loot daw eh. Oh. Sayang naman pwede ko i-loot. Uy! Yung i-throw natin. Patay! Pa! Tayo na. Ayos. Galing! Ngayon, ilulot natin yun. Kasi sayang. So, may mga kalaman. Binatuhan natin. Paano natin? Sayang eh. Mahirap lang tayo. Kailangan natin ng pera. Gusto ko pumatay ng mga kalaban. Patago. Sino ba yung mga kalaban? Hindi nakita.
I know a dead body when I see one.
Stop that trespasser!
Ay! Nice to, galing ang paglaban ah. Hindi natin siya pinatay. Mabay tayo eh, mabay. Sneak lang tayo, sneak. See? Ngayon pag lumapit, papatayin natin yan. Alright! Pak! Ay, shit. Teka, may nakakita sa... May narinig kayong aso. Hindi yan ano sa laro. Skill him. Uy. Makuha tayo ng 3 pounds. Narinig ko na to. Now, dito, ang daming papers, pero office to. Magbabasa lang ako sa Twitter. Okay. Ngayon, may alam na ako kahit papano sa Assassin's Creed. Alam? Ang dami mga bato. Lo, kawawa naman to. Patayin, pwede kayong patayin. I'll break it up. Okay. Gumagawa sila ng child labor pala to eh. I reach this one. What's next? Right? So dito naman tayo. I reach this. Rupert Ferris Ironworks. Ah, nandun siguro si Ferris.
Mr. Ferris, sir. The lad in the factory should be taken to be bandaged by the apothecary.
A photography.
Fine. But dock his wages.
Yes, sir.
Di sila compliant sa labor standards. So ngayon, haba-haba pa pala yung pupuntahan natin. Pero parang feeling ko mainit dito.
Price, Mr. Ferris.
Question, paano yan narinig yun? Anyway, tayo. Gamit tayo hagdan mo. Ayaw mag-sneak.
Grab him! Drag him out! I see someone! He's right there!
Assassin's Creed, akin you! Ayan, nanakawan natin sila ng pera. Right? Init dito. Pag kaya pumunta ako dito, masusunod. Ay, ayoko din. Mamatay ako. Tutorial pa nga naman, mamatay na. Let's run. Run. Hindi mo siya namatay. Ayaw kasi mag-sneak. Gusto mag-sneak eh. Ay. Sino pa? Lapit. Sino pa? Sana.
Someone take care of it!
Ako, dami. Okay, kaya natin yan.
Someone ought to fetch the police.
Entry point.
Just let me go.
Macho, pero
I'll
patay.
never trouble you again, I swear it.
Hindi man na natin nakita yung mukha niya. Entry point to eh. Saan tayo next? Sabihin ng entry point. Pwede pumasok na. Kaya tayo. Hindi ko aakyat tayo dyan.
Give him another! Hey, how do you get through?
No touch box. So, hindi ko alam kung ano ibig sabihin. Kailangan kasi natin yung pera, kaya ako yung akyat here.
How's your father these days? Oh, the doctor I sent has facilitated a speedy return to good health.
Yes, sir. Words cannot say how grateful we are.
Para mamanya ka niya. So, let's kill him. Dali. Yes. That's the first mission, baby!
It is done. Oh? What did you accomplish, boy? A bolt loosened in Starrick's machine. A large bolt, but not enough.
Your Grandmaster will fall.
You assassins can circle London to your heart's content. The mechanism we have built has been going strong for 100 years and will run 1,000 more. It is the very city itself.
We will take London from your hands.
From Croydon? You lurk in the shadows like a coward. I doubt it.
Bago siya namatay, nakapagsalita siya na. Pinunasan pa niya eh, no? Bakit kaya? Ano ibig sabihin? Alright. So, hindi pa pala tapos. Ngayon, ay hindi pwede nakawa.
I just want to keep on living. There's so much more to be done. My life can't end now.
Hindi pwede nakawan eh. So, basta tayo. Ito. Reach. Pili ko hindi pa yan eh. Left the restricted area. Run. Dun, 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 dun. Hold. Okay, nasa train tayo. Anong gagawin? Ah, may kalaban! Ano to?
Tickets, please.
Alright.
There's no way I'll miss it.
Taray ko.
Knocking block off.
Dapat ano eh, tatamaan din sila pag ano. Tayo mataman. Oh, double assassination, baby. Wow. Yeah, galing ah. Ako may mga kalaban pa. Ako wala yata release to. Wow. Oh, grabe, iniwan niya kami. Siyempre, life. Trabaho. Mga sabi nila, mas mahalaga ang health kaysa sa trabaho. Life lesson pala ito.
Oh, we seem to have made an unscheduled stop.
Gusto ng mga kalaban. Anong gagawin? Climb down is... Hala. What the heck? Saan ako dadaan? Good. Siya. Nice! Nice! Pressure. Tapos. Nice. Sakto ah.
Maybe next time I'll walk.
Alright. So, natapos natin ang first mission. Tsaka ako na i-raid. So, Starrick and Co. Croydon. Ulan.
Yard.
Dami niya freckles.
Guard quarters. Brewster's laboratory. This is where the piece of Eden will be located.
Kailangan ko bang alamin yung mga
No loose ends. Now, to decouple the locomotive and create a diversion.
Well, where is it? Huh?
lasing ah.
Where's Brewster's supplies?
Brewster, alam niyo ba yung Brew Rats dati? Kilatan. Mga Brewster ang tawag sa mga fans ng Brew Rats. Siguro may ibang controls tong babae. Pwede mag-whistle oh. Uy!
Who's there?
Nice ah.
Time to deploy the diversion.
Rawat muna natin. Man and diversion.
I'm on my way, Sir David.
Sino si Sir David? Okay, let's play. Yeah. F, quick throw. Uy, ayos. Pwede pala yan ah. Kaso, 3 na lang ang ating throwing knife. Meron to.
Hello, boys.
Lakan ng weapon pala net. Bilis niya. Oof! Grabe naman yun. Awan natin kasi kailangan natin ng drawing knife. Iwanan sila siya. Drawing knife. Pera lang. Sige, okay lang yun. Kailangan natin ng pera eh. Ang sweldo ng mga assassin maliit lang.
Please, miss.
Up. Love na yan. Love, love, love. Okay, tama. Yes. Ako ah. Nahulog yung bangkay. Baka natin nalakawan yun. Gusto ko dito sa labas kasi magulan. Gusto ko sa loob.
Smells like Jacob's cooking.
Drugs pala yan. So, paano kayo detach? Detach. Dito tingnan naman namin. Uy, sinuntok lang.
That
Nice
should keep you
one.
busy while I head into your lab.
This one.
Follow me down the tracks.
You stay here and keep a lookout.
All right. I'll shout if I
Siyempre
get
babae
any further.
din yung ano, para girl fight.
First for a bird's eye view. Can't be too careful.
How they come apart?
Not your concern. Bring back the cargo.
Ay, kalaban pala yun. Kasama niya yun. yan ha. Kailangan ko lang ng throwing knife. Okay. Let's go to the next one.
Jason Bear!
There's a trespasser there!
Hindi pwede, assassinate pa lang ganun.
How are you?
Nagsalita pa siya. So, na-reach na natin to. Ano yun?
I need 2 more weeks with the device.
Your questionable practices are beginning to draw unwanted attention. You have been given more than enough time to achieve results, Sir David.
I am unaware that you expected me to perform like a cocker spaniel.
Permit me to remind you of your obligation to the Order.
Pala yun.
Miss Thorne, you ride me like a racehorse.
Sir David, I will return tomorrow.
Kumuha niya
If
si
you have
ano,
not unlocked the device's
Jennifer
secrets,
Garner.
forget your dogs and horses. I will leave you to the wolves.
Good day.
Good day.
I was merely promised a tour of the premises, my lords.
Who sent you?
It's one of Green's spies.
Get that man to interrogation. Then I want him brought to the lab.
What a pity. But no deviations from the mission.
Be an assassin. So, kailangan daw nasa mataas na lugar. So, may eagle vision. Okay so. Sige, pwede natin gamitin yung V para daw makita natin. So, press V. So, yun ang kalaban. Okay.
She's good as dead!
Traffic pa more. Pak! Nagawa yun. Di pa tapos nga ba naman yung combo na yan? Nice.
Something's out there.
Okay, lumapit ka. Merong isang mission pa yun. Kill enemies with hanging barrels. Ano yung hanging barrels? Ano yung hanging barrels?
Who's that messing around?
Yan. Mhm. Yan dito eh. Ayun, hanging barrels oh. Uy, ayos yun ah. Hintayin natin magkasama sila. Magkwentuhan nga kayo para alam ko kung magkasama na. Nice one! Pwede pala yun ah. Nice, nice, nice. I-ano na lang natin, intro na. Makapal yata ulo na ito eh, kasi kalbo eh. Teka. Ayun na yun. tumambad. Nice. Yun, kailangan natin yung throwing knife. Gusto ko yung may barrel.
Is Brewster's laboratory. All reconnaissance pointed straight to it. A secret laboratory? Well, well. Perhaps I can aid this interrogation.
Nice.
Is she waiting to bounce on someone?
Saan ba ako pupunta? Patay. Uy, dami niyang knife. Nice. Saan daw? Sa taas? Sa taas pala. Bakit naman sa puwet? Grabe naman yun. Pwede namang ano, uy, ano to? Treasure. Uy! Nice! Pero ang dami ko niyan knife eh. Speak. Kalaban? Paano ako pupunta doon? Meron naman dati dito. Gusto ko patay. Dito naman sa private part. Oh, may cinematics.
Ah, thank you kindly. I was in ever such a squeaky fix when, what do you know? You rescue me.
Kamukha niya, ano?
Where's the hidden
Wolverine.
laboratory?
Untie me, and then we can parley, milady.
I'm pressed for time. Tell me now.
It's underground. Requires a key. One of the guards nicked mine, cheeky sod.
Thank you.
Now, untie me?
You got yourself in. I trust you can get yourself out again.
Not to worry, milady. Can still recall a couple of tricks from me carnival days.
Charming.
A British. Nawala nga. Nice. Galing ah. Magician. Locate key. So, ito locate. Uy, hindi dyan. Naku. Ay. Uy, hindi dyan. Naku. Saan tayo pumunta? Hindi ako sinusunod ng karakter. Yun. Natin kung may daan dito. I think meron naman. Ay, patayin natin siya. Yosi boy! Nakita ko. Oh, marami yata kalaban. Ayun, ibato natin yung mga kalaban. Natin yung gagawin nila. Wala, nasa ng pakialam mo. Dami pala. Grabe naman yun. Daming combo. Nice. Puno na ulit ang ating throwing knives. Ano naman mahalaga sa akin eh. Pero kasi patula silang pakialam doon sa ano. Samahan nila.
What are you doing? Keep that key in your pocket, or else Miss Dawn will have your guts for garters.
Let's have a butcher's downstairs then. I want to see that artifact.
Not if you value your life.
Right.
Put an end to that noise.
No, that's not me ears playing tricks. Someone you got!
Down natin.
Got it.
Oh, ano yun? Memory item. Ano kaya yun? Easy ka dyan. Easy ka dyan. Ayos. Gusto ko bagsakan eh. Pero walang kalaban eh. Pwedeng gawin. Daming kalaban. So guys, anong gagawin natin? Tingin ko dito magandang dumaan. Pwede double assassination. Hindi pala pwede. Ang lumang Assassin's Creed kasi pwede yun eh. Mukhang dito hindi pwede. Kung may bagsakan, ito pwede dito. Ano ba kalaban dito? Dahil pwedeng assassinate dito. Entry point daw. So ito. Uy, pumasok ka. Ayaw niya pumasok. Nice one. So, saan tayo pupunta? Ito.
Don't know and don't care to ask. Cause at night, the grapes glow with an unearthly light. As if the... Someone's out there tricks on me.
Lapit pa. Ipa-block-block ka pang nalalaman, ha? Oh! Umikot. Hold natin. Yan, nakalot tayo kaso walang throwing knife na kailangan natin. Natin siya. So now, saan tayo pupunta? Saan ba ang secret lab?
There you are. The entrance to Brewster's lab.
See that woman there?
Lapit, lapit. Assassinate, bebe. Nice. Ayun, open daw. Paano ba ito i-open? Hindi man nang nabasa yung buhok nito, ah. Kalaban pa rin ba dito? Feeling ko madami pa rin. Okay. Danger. Men working overhead. Saan? Wala naman. Wag na lang kaya. Kasi ano eh. May mga nag-work kaya ako maka-istorbo.
Back on track.
Back on track. Bebe. Ano ba yan? 3 skill points. Skill upgrades. Earn experience from unlocking perks, resolving crowd events, and completing memories and activities. Oh, pwede palang i-upgrade. Nice. Skills niya. Level 3. Tsaka na lang. Eh, kailangan ko daw i-acquire yung double assassination skill eh. Ano ba yun dito? Ito? So, buy. Paano ko bibilin? Confirm. Purchase. Oh. Oh. Nice. Meron ako nyan. Okay, meron na. To perform a double assassination behind 2 highlighted enemies. Okay. No problem. Tandaan lang tayo. Kaya pala kanina ayaw. Kailangan palang matutunan muna niya yun. Nice! That's what I'm talking about. Saan ako pumunta?
Ronnie, can't it wait till the morning? No, it can't. So do as you're bloody told. And by the way, it's sir to you.
The blokes are knackered, sir.
Ayaw niya umalis. Paano kaya gagawin ko? Lagi sila magkasama.
No drinking, no dosing, and no chin wagging neither. Got it? Stay sharp, eyes peeled, or you'll be having fucking nightmares with me in them for the rest of your life.
This ain't gonna went well.
Let me live. I've got no cover next week.
Away-away kayo, tapos usap naman pa kayo. Naglaban.
Don't deserve to die. I'm a good man.
Robot assassinate. Yes, throwing knife ang ating paboritong item. Let's see kung may tugtog nito Game of Thrones. Swimming baga? Hindi pala yun. Kadiri naman. Saan naman pupuntahan? Bakit na? Hindi ko pwede bakit dyan? Pwede mo pala. Hindi, wag yan. Dito ba tayo galing? Dito. Sakto yan, mainit ang panahon. Kaya masarap mag-swimming. Alam mo yung mga kalaban, dapat gawin nila, wala nang mga pwedeng akyatan yung mga assassin. Ano, wala silang kalaban. The Vision! Wow! Yung pala yung ginagawa niya. Piece of Eden.
Increase the electricity. But it'll become unstable, sir. You heard what Miss Thorne said. We need results now.
Now, pero mamatay ka na. Hala. Kailangan mapigilan natin siya.
My job. On the blue light, it goes completely transparent. If you don't mind me saying, that would be an exceptionally bad idea.
Ano ako nakita nun? Laki katawan na ito eh. Kasabay mo ko. Alam. Ayun. Dapat tayo mga healing potion dyan. Kailangan ko siyang i-assassinate. So, paano ko siya i-assassinate? Isa hindi. Okay lang. Sneak attack. Oh. Tagiliran talaga.
It's time to lay down your head, Sir David Brewster.
But I have so much more to discover.
Do not be afraid.
I'm not. God will protect me.
I will continue your experiment.
You will not stop, Starrick. Miss Thorne has already found another piece of Eden, more powerful than the last.
I will take that one too.
We fight to gain what we cannot take with us. It's in our nature.
Ba't kaya nakakausap nila pagpatay na? Ba't kailangan din nilang punasan? Proof na pinatay nila siguro, no? Siyempre natakas pa tayo dito. Hindi pa dyan natatapos.
I have to get out of here, now!
Reach.
Come on, Steve.
Dali! Ito.
Keep going.
Konti na lang, konti na lang.
was far too close. I must find a way out.
Buti na lang payat siya. Kasya siya dyan, Ito naman naiikot yung camera. Nice! Ang galing, Meron talagang, pangharang sa mga nahuhulog. Dali, kailangan mo makatakas.
Come on!
Nice! Ala, may mission pala dapat air assassinate. Pero ayos lang. Nice.
What was that explosion?
What explosion?
Evie?
Piece of Eden detonated and took the lab with it.
The magic lump of hyperbolic metal. I'm shocked.
Simply because you have never valued the pieces does not
All
mean...
went according to plan,
There was a slight complication.
How slight?
The lab exploded.
Jacob.
You derailed a train.
Oh, he did. Did he?
Well, the train derailed and I happened to be on it. I killed my target.
Brewster is also no more.
Then all in all a successful mission in spite of you two.
What about London?
What about it?
We're wasting our time out here.
You know as well as I do that London has been the domain of the Templars for the last 100 years. They are far too strong yet. Patience.
The Templars have found a new piece of Eden.
Sir David is dead. They do not know how to use it. The Council shall guide us. Sound advice that your father would have seconded. I shall see you back in Crawley.
Patience, Evie.
Master Assassin.
A gentle sound of opportunity passing us by.
So what's stopping us? London is waiting to be liberated. Forget Crawley.
Father would have wanted us to listen.
Oh, Father. You could continue his legacy in London.
Pasaway pala tong
Freeing
dalawang
future
to,
generations from a city ruled by Templars. You know, Jacob Fry, you might just be right.
Then shall we?
Yes. Let's. Onward to London.
Let's end our gameplay here. Ito pala yung simula. Sa London pala talaga to. Assassin's Creed Syndicate! Alright. So let's end our
I know.
gameplay here.
You've only had a taste of the latest acquisition from Abstergo. But I want to check in on Sean and Rebecca. I still think attacking a Templar is a mistake.
Wow, ang ganda naman dyan sa lugar na yan.
Call Dr. Grammatica.
Come on. Oh, Isabel. What a lovely surprise.
Our mutual friends will be here shortly to search for the artifact. Once it's located, I'll let you know.
Super. Always a pleasure.
Prick.
It's people like you that give historians a bad name.
I'm afraid I don't have time for you today, Mr. Hastings.
Thank you for making my job easy.
Oh, shit.
It does look grim.
Master Berg, Agent Acosta. Deal with them, please.
Move it!
Hunt them down!
Anyway, that's the end of our gameplay today. So, kailangan mabilis lang to dahil first 2 missions pa lang. So, babalik tayo kapag yung sa mga mission na talaga. So, nasa London na tayo. Yun ang babalikan natin next gameplay. Okay? Thank you for watching and see you again next time.